Hey guys, this is my first tutorial on how to install GSnap to your Audacity application and to start using autotune on it. So this is my first tutorial, so let's just get straight into it. First of all, you need to have the Audacity application like I have over here. You can see it over here. So first, what we have to do is go to GSnap. We have to download GSnap first. So here we go. We've got GSnap here. We have to download the GSnap for 64-bit, and if you have any error on it, like failed to register or something, you can try downloading the 32-bit of it. So let's first start with the 64-bit one. I've already installed this, but I'm going to show you how to. So this is the zip file which we download from the website. We can see this DLL file which we have to extract to. We first have to go to the file location of our Audacity application. We have to go to plugins over here. You can see plugins, and we have to just paste it here. I have already installed it, so it's time to replace, but it will directly paste if you do not have it. So yes, replace, yes, continue, and it should be installed here. Now what we have to do, we have to get into Audacity. We have to start Audacity. Okay, we can see effect over here. We can see effect. We have to click effect. We have to go to add or remove plugins. So now here we have to find GSnap. See GSnap over here. We have to find it. It's enabled, but if it is new, if it is saying new, then you have to enable it. It should be enabled. Press OK and restart the application. Now let's try to record something and let's see if it works. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, yeah. So now if you want to add if you want to add the GSnap to this, what you have to do, you have to drag this, select the place where you want to auto tune it, press effect. You can see here over here somewhere, if you just click here, yes, GSnap, click on it and you can get a whole thing. That's it. That's all I'm going to do for now. I'll upload a later video on how to auto tune. That's it. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel because yeah, this is my first tutorial. Yeah, thank you for watching. Have a good day.